Hey everyone, welcome back. We're diving into a topic you guys are clearly interested in, the future of Agile.
Yeah, it's something we've been seeing pop up more and more.
Exactly. And we love to go deep, so we're going to unpack this whole "is Agile losing its edge" thing. You sent in a really thought-provoking article, by the
It
way.
really does make you think. Agile's everywhere, but is it really working the way it was intended?
Right. So, to set the stage a bit,
hmm
I think we all know Agile's been this huge game changer. Tons of teams have adopted it, seen some great
For
results.
sure. Increased collaboration, faster delivery.
Yep. But there's this growing sense that maybe it's lost some of its, well, agility.
Becoming a little too rigid.
Exactly. So let's jump right into the heart of it. The article kicks off with this question. Is Agile getting too caught up in frameworks and certifications, losing sight of its core principles?
It's interesting, right? Because the whole point of Agile was to be flexible, to adapt, to change. And now you have people saying it's become too process heavy.
Like forgetting the human element.
Exactly. And that's where the call for this return to the roots of Agile comes in, focusing on people over processes. Remember that Agile was a mindset, not just a set of rules.
And this isn't just some abstract concept. The article actually highlights this project was a total disaster. They were so focused on following the Agile playbook step by step that they completely ignored the customer's actual needs.
Classic case of missing the forest for the trees, right? And that's a trap any team can fall into. It's easy to get so caught up in the mechanics of Agile that you forget what you're really trying to achieve, delivering value.
Right, so it's not about just doing Agile, it's about actually being Agile. Okay, so we need to focus on the people, the outcomes, not just checking boxes. Got it. But then the article goes on to say Agile needs to evolve. It talks about integrating things like DevOps and lean thinking. Can you break that down for us?
Sure, it's not that Agile is outdated, it's more like it needs to keep up with the times. These newer practices, they're like tools to enhance your Agile approach.
So not replacing Agile, but building on it.
Exactly. Take DevOps, for instance. It's all about automation and close collaboration between development and operations. That helps address a major pain point for many Agile teams, delays in getting stuff out the door.
Ah, I see. So DevOps streamlines things, keeps the momentum going.
Yeah, and lean thinking, that's all about eliminating waste. So you're always asking, is this adding value for the customer? If not, can we do it better, faster, or just cut it out completely?
Ah, so it's like constant optimization.
Exactly, and that aligns perfectly with Agile's focus on delivering value quickly and continuously.
Okay, so keep refining, keep improving, makes sense. But what about AI and automation? That part of the article really got me thinking. We're automating more and more these days. Does that mean Agile's human-centric approach is at risk?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? And it's one that a lot of people are grappling with. AI and automation, they definitely have the potential to supercharge Agile. Think about it. They can take over those repetitive, time-consuming tasks, freeing up your team to focus on the stuff that really requires human ingenuity.
Okay, so less busy work, more brain power. But I still can't shake this feeling that if we automate everything, won't we lose that human touch, that connection to the customer?
I get it, it's a valid concern. The key here is to make sure we're using these technologies to empower teams, not replace them. The author argues that Agile needs to adapt, find new ways to leverage AI while staying true to its human-centric core.
So it's about finding the right balance.
Exactly. It's about using AI to enhance our capabilities, not diminish them.
So it seems like the future of Agile isn't about throwing the whole thing out and starting over.
Yep.
It's about adapting, evolving.
Absolutely. It's like the author says, Agile needs a renewal, not a replacement. We need to rediscover those core principles delivering customer value, being adaptable, continuously improving, and figure out how they apply in this new world.
And for everyone listening, that's really the key takeaway. As you continue on your Agile journey, the question you need to keep asking yourself is, how can you champion these core principles within your team, within your organization, even as the tools and the tech around you change?
How can you embrace change and adapt to new challenges while still staying true to the heart of Agile? That's what's going to keep it relevant.
Great points. We've definitely covered a lot today. Hopefully this deep dive has given you a clearer picture of where Agile is headed and how you can stay ahead of the curve. Keep those questions coming, and we'll see you next time.